Back to my 29th tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna discuss about generators. Generators is like a novel function. Whenever it needs to generate a value, it will do with the help of yield instead of using a return statement. So now we'll see the example. The first example is like I'm having creating a method. It's called gen, and inside the function I'm yielding hi. Again I'm yielding a function, and with the help of yield I'm again hi welcome. Okay, now I'm printing the method. So I'm calling the method, and that itself I'm printing the method. Yeah. So if you are using a return, it will print the value what it's returning, but in this case of if you are using a yield, it's returning the generator object. So if you want to know the value of generator, you need to do y equal to change. Now I'm doing print of y dot next. Now the first value high is printed. If you want to know the next value, you need to repeat it again, hi welcome. So each and every value we can able to recollect from the generator function. So it will generate a value each and every time, but the help of next function we can able to get it. And I have another example. See, like now why I'm having a generator method. Inside I'm getting a parameter as num, and initially I'm setting it 0, and while I less than num, if I less than m, and I'm going to the next line, I'm yielding the I value. If I less than n, I'm yielding the value, and then I'm doing the increment. I'm doing the increment as 1. Now I'm going to the main function. Here I'm calling the generator, so I'm just passing the parameter as 5. Now if we print this value, obviously it will generate the generator object in order to get the value next. Okay, now 0. Now I'm repeating it again. Okay, now we can see 0 and 1. So if I'm repeating it to 5 times, now we can see the output 0 1 2 3 4. So whenever we are giving a next generator object will process all the value. If we want to see those values, we supposed to give the next, else will handle another manner, like instead of doing that, I'm doing for I in gen of, okay, gen of 5 print. Now I'm printing, it will generate the value automatically each and every time. We don't need to give y dot next or next dot next we don't need to give. Instead of that, if you are using an iteration for loop, it will generate the value and it will print here with the help of for loop. Now one former example again I'll want to show you in order to make it clear very crispy manner. I'm printing it start. Then now I'm preparing the range with the for loop. Here what I'm doing is I'm printing before yield. I'm putting the value. After I'm doing the, with the help of yield statement, I'm yielding the I value. In I'm going back to my main method. In my main method, I'm again, in order to get the value, in order to prepare the iteration, with the for loop. Here I'm printing the value after yield I. Okay, now we can see the output. That's great. See, initially it started. Okay, after the function is called, the file will be going here in a num, the file will be stored, and I'm printing start. After that, the range of num is a 5, those 5 times this iteration will be happening. Initially 0 will go, 0 will print here before yield 0, and yield when it means the yield statement, it will throw back to the main function, and here it will print after yield 0, and it will go back again. It will print generate, I mean 1, and then it will go here before yield 1, and it will throw the value yield. It will go back to the main function, and here will print after yield 1. Similar wise, it will be doing from 0 to 4. 5 times the iteration will be happening here. So this is a generator. Whenever we want to generate a value, we can do with the help of yield statement. So I hope you got a much idea about what is a generator with these more examples. In my next tutorial, we'll be seeing another important topic is called a decorator. Until that, stay angry and just try hard for better tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.